Yeah.
Is that spicy Ting?
Let's try it.
Ting just had her first bite. We got 4 bowls of intestine noodle.
Can we try it without?
Sweet potato starch noodle with intestine.
Let's try it without the vinegar first.
You're adding vinegar, right?
It is.
Vinegar will cool it down a bit. It's mesmerizing. And that's the Gold Coast Station. And we just had some pork, but we're ordering up a beef because they're going to be more plump, full of beef, and a little more numbing. At least they should be. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And they're going to put them right deep in the oven. So they fry them and then put them in a coal oven. Oh, they're so delicious. You like that thing? Oh yeah, guacamole. And look at this, we are just enjoying guacamole right out of the oven. So good. Look at these beef biscuits, pork biscuits. Going deep. We're going deep. Nothing like visiting the local markets. You guys having fun?
So much fun.
Yeah, the
oh my
most
gosh.
fun. But the food's been great.
Everything's been great. Everyone's so friendly and nice and smiley.
Yeah.
And the food's been amazing.
Awesome. So in case you guys missed it, this is India and Narendra, and they won the 1 million subscribers giveaway, and we spent the last couple days taking them on a full-on street food tour. We are in the markets now, exploring, and we are just having some green tea in a local tea park here. Yeah. Should be good.
It's be tasty though. Oh, look at that. Oh, get those chilies. So many flakes. Enjoy it.
Looks good.
Really good.
谢谢你，太好了。So these are the fei chang fen. You guys had these yesterday. Did you enjoy them?
Yes.
Gonna give it another go.
Yeah. Oh, 很多fei chang fen. So these are sweet potato starch noodles and intestine, and they fill a bowl with tons of chili